Alright everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to look at the Milwaukee M18 handheld vacuum. I've been so impressed with their tools, I'm going on a buying spree, stocking up. And considering that the M18, 18 volt, pretty serious power, I have no doubt that this vacuum is going to be the same. According to the box, it comes with all these accessories, so if I'm out cleaning the vehicles, cleaning up stuff in the shop, also gives an example of 100 plus tools that the M18 battery system is capable of powering. So according to the back specification, it says air volume 40 CFM, inlet diameter 1¼ inch, canister volume 36 ounces, filter removable HEPA, weight 4.3 pounds. One more thing kind of hiding in there. I think we got it all. Accessories you get. Couple extension tubes. This little bad boy right here. This attachment, which we're going to use right away. And this thing right here. This has got some weight to it. You could probably beat somebody with that. It's not what it's intended to be used for. And this is the vacuum M18. Everything drops out the bottom. How does this work now? Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's get a battery. That one there's charged up. Seems to have some decent vacuum. I got a bunch of loose crap right there. Let's vacuum it up. We're plugged. Plastic. I got so much green powder coating dust kicking around. It's one of the main reasons why I bought this. This thing's pretty decent. Gave it a little bit of a workout, vacuuming up some crap in the shop. Seems to collect it nicely in the bottom. Definitely going to come in handy. There we go. Just not a fan of that locking mechanism. I'll get used to it. Overall, my first impressions are pretty good. Coming in at 4.5 pounds. Probably gonna get a little heavy on the forearms. Definitely bulk them up a little bit in case people are asking. There's a trigger lock right here. and then obviously squeeze it to release it. Did a little bit of vacuuming, didn't even put a dent in the 5 amp hour battery. This thing is really good. The only thing that I wish it would have came with, because with all the attachments, is a little bag or something to carry it in, but that's alright though. Anyways, for the price point, I couldn't pass it up. Tool alone, I think it was like $139, $129 at Home Depot. And it's a great addition to add to the shop. As always, this is just the first look. In my videos, you're going to see this being used more and more. And if I have any issues or concerns, obviously I'm going to update those in a later video. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching.